Hello friends, welcome back one more time on my YouTube channel Dr. Nilesh Advice. Today we are going to discuss one important topic, that is burping in the children. This is very common and the basic concepts of the burping I am going to discuss today in this video. How to do properly burping to the children. Why it is important to do the proper burping in the babies. What are the advantages of the burping? What are the disadvantages if you are not doing the burping? This video will give you almost complete information about the burping in the children. The breastfeeding and the burping, these two are a very important point of rearing the child. It is a very important point for the parenting. In this video, actually I am going to demonstrate how to do the burping in this toy. So watch this video till end, it will give you useful informations. And do share the videos with your friends, family friends and the new parents so that know that how to burp the child. So let's begin the video. So burping is very important point. After completing the feeding, you have to burp the child. Most of the parents understand burping means just to make the sound of the satisfaction. The baby makes the sound of the satisfaction. Dakar le liya, that is burping. No, that is not actually the burping. Burping is a process by which we remove the air which child has consumed while child was feeding. So indirectly we can say that we are removing the excess gas which child has consumed while baby sucks on the breast or while child was feeding. So how to do that one, that I am going to demonstrate now. So first and foremost principle of the burping is, whenever you lift the child, always support the neck. So like this, with your palm and with your fingers you will support the baby's neck so that baby's neck will not fall back. Whenever you lift the baby, you lift the baby's back and the head simultaneously like this, so that baby's neck will be get supported. Now the second important point is to keep over the shoulder. So once you have lifted the baby from the bed with the neck support, you keep the baby like this. You adjust the baby's hand like this so that baby should be in a comfortable position. Baby's nose should not be get obstructed, so that you can just turn the baby little bit so that baby's nose will be open. Now how much height we have to keep the baby? So some parents keep the baby like this so that tummy will go to the shoulder, and some parents keeps like this. Both the methods are correct, but the important thing is baby should be in a vertical position. Baby should be in a comfortable position. Baby's neck should not be get obstructed, and you have to tap the baby like this. So either if you are keeping the baby like this and you are tapping like this, that is also fine. It is very important that you do simultaneously walking also with the baby. So what will happen, that if you will walk with the baby like this in the burping position, then it will help for the baby also to remove the excess air which child has consumed. While you are doing the burping, what will happen, that whatever excess air child has consumed, it will come out through his mouth as a Dakar, and the milk or the food will go down. So it will help that child will have the less number of the colic episodes. So indirectly you can say that you are removing the gas of the baby, so that the colic episode, mainly colic episodes, are happening because of the improper burping. So that's why it is very important that you should do the proper burping to the babies. This episode of keeping the baby over the shoulder should be minimum 15 to 20 minutes, so that meanwhile child may sleep also. So if child is asleep, then you will again take like this and let him sleep in the bed. That's all. So you understand the one important point, that burping is not just only the child should make a sound, it is about the proper keeping the child vertically over the shoulder, tapping the backs which will make the child comfortable, It will help to remove the gas. It will help to increase the bonding between the baby and the mother. So mother secretions, mother breast milk also increases. So these are the various advantages. These are the various advantages of the doing the burping. If you are not doing that one, these all others are the disadvantages. Baby will have the excess gas accumulation inside the tummy. Baby will have a lot of colic pain. Baby will wake up frequently because gas will keeps on moving inside the stomach. So ultimately child will be in a discomfort. Child is in discomfort, so you are also in a discomfort. Child will get harassed frequently by applying some of the ointments like the hing you apply over the abdomen. Child will require multiple colic medications, and some or other friends or relatives suggest some or other medications, so you will give those medication to the baby for the colic. So colic will be avoided by doing the proper burping. Another important point for preventing the burping, for that which I have already made a video, proper latching. Baby should be latched over the breast properly, so watch that video. And another good method is to providing the tummy time. For that also I have made one separate video. So to prevent the colic in the children, the first one is your burping process should be good. Second, you will provide the good amount of the tummy time, and third, proper latching to the breast. So all these things are very important for a baby to prevent the colic. I hope this video must have given you useful informations. If you like this video, share the video with your friends and the parents who are just having the baby. Thank you very much.